Hello everyone, my name is Anne. This lesson I'm gonna to say how to change desktop background. First, you should check your computer version is Windows 7 or Windows 10. Click at this button. If the picture on the left appears, your computer is Windows 7 version, and the right one is Windows 10. As for the difference between Windows 10 and Windows 7 is that Windows 10 is a newer version, and Windows 10 takes less time to turn on. Additionally, Windows 7 can be used in tablet, and it has less information in the start screen, like this. On Windows 10 version, there are templates and news and so on. Now, I will teach Windows 10 version first. Click the right button at the blank space on desktop and click at Personalize. And click at Background and choose one photo, one of them. Okay. And click Edit. You will find a new desktop background. Or if you don't want to use the picture that computer built in, you can use your own photo by doing this. Click at Browse, not the picture, and choose Desktop. Because our folders are saved on desktop, and double click at the folder. My folder is photo, and click at the photo you want. Okay. And click at choose picture, and now you will see your desktop background change. Okay, that's Windows 10 version. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for your watching. See you.